I'm going to guess most of you don't know that plants actually have the ability to inflict chemical warfare on plants around them that they don't want. The one that most people are concerned about is black walnut because it produces the most juglone, which is allelopathic. And allelopathy is actually a biological mechanism by which plants can say, I don't want you living anywhere near me. The issue really with black walnut and juglone is people try to grow tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, all sorts of plants that really don't care to live there, because what happens is the juglone starts out as hydrojuglone, which is really not very toxic. The second or the minute it is exposed to the air, it becomes juglone. And juglone is extremely toxic. It is one of those chemicals that if you think about cyanide poisoning, same thing exactly. The interesting thing though is there is not a lot of good research on which plants are going to be susceptible to the effects of juglone, which can be everything from just a slight change in the way they grow to death. And it's worse on plants that are in a low-lying, flooded area. That's why you see lists of plants that really don't want to live there, and it includes some of the rain garden plants, bald cypress, the ones that are in those heavy soils. So, one of the interesting things to know about having a walnut is that juglone is actually concentrated in the roots, in the hulls, in the leaves, and it can exist well outside the canopy of the tree. So you might be 50 or 60 feet away if you have roots of a walnut tree. And what you're going to have to do if you want to grow plants that are susceptible, grow them in a raised bed.